Hi dears, I think everybody understood our Lento story. Shall we continue now? Okay. Did you remember what we have already studied? Lencho, the farmer, the ardent lover of God, lived alone with his family in the crest of the hill, and one day a hailstorm came, all his crops destroyed. And the next day he decided to write a letter to God, and he went to the post office and wrote a letter. And by seeing the letter, all the postmaster, post office, the person, those who are in the post office laughed. But from the post office, the postmaster decided to help Lencho. So he collected some amount from his fellow being and decided to send it to Lencho. So he wrote a letter to Lencho. That much we studied in the last class. Okay, shall we continue? Yeah. The following Sunday, Lencho came a bit earlier than usual to ask if there was a letter for him. It was the postman himself who handed the letter to him, while the postmaster, experiencing the contentment of a man who has performed a good deed, looked on from his post office. Now, from the post office, all the people, the postmaster, the postman, everybody eagerly waiting whether Lencho was coming to collect his letter. The same happened. Next day, what happened? Lencho came to the post office. He wanted to collect the reply. Whose reply? He wrote a letter to God. He expected there will be a reply from God. So he reached the post office and asked the postmaster and the postman for his reply. Lencho showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money. You know that Lencho expected he will get a reply from God, and when he reached the post office, the postmaster gave the letter and money, but he didn't have any feeling. By seeing that, we can think that he expected it. So Lencho showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money. He asked the money to God, and now he got the money. But there is no surprise. When we get something, we were surprised. For example, if you ask any gift to your parents, if your parents give anything to you as a surprise, what will happen? You will exclaim by saying that you will be surprised. But our Lencho didn't surprise. Why? Why? What may be the reason? He expected it. That is why he didn't surprise. He has such a confidence, but he became angry when he counted the money. God could not have made a mistake, nor could he have denied Lencho what he had requested. Here, actually, by getting the money, he would be very happy. But here, what happened? Lencho became angry. Why? He asked 100 pesos to the God, but now he got only 70 pesos. So he counted the money and became angry. He thought that God will give how much? 100 pesos, but he got only 70 pesos. Nor could he have denied Lencho what had requested. He had the faith. What he asked, God will give. But here he became angry because he got only 70 pesos. Immediately, Lencho went up to the window to ask for paper and ink. On the public writing table, he started to write with much wrinkling on his brow, caused by the effort he had to make to express his ideas. When he finished, he went to the window to buy a stamp, which he licked and then affixed it to the envelope with a blow of his fist. So, think here, first he was a very ardent believer of God. He had an ardent faith in God, but now he became angry to God. God, I asked 100 pesos, but you gave me only 70 pesos. Suddenly, he went to the post office and took a letter, a paper and pen from there and began to write. What did he write? God, of the money that I asked you, only 70 pesos reached me. Send me the rest, since I need it very much. God, I asked 100 pesos to you, but you sent only 70 pesos. So you should immediately send me the remaining money also. Remaining how much? 30 pesos. Since I need it very much, don't send it to the mail, because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks. You think that these post office employees helped him, but the conflict between his mind and the other, what is it? He thought that God won't cheat me, because I am such a ardent believer of God. God won't cheat anybody, because now here nobody is there to help me. So these post office people, this mana crooked one, so he wrote, God, I need the remaining amount, but one thing you should think. What is it? You don't send the money through this post office, because these employees are a bunch of crooks. They cheated me. I can't believe them, because they had taken the remaining amount. I'm believing that you will send. You had already sent me 100 pesos, but I got only 70 pesos. What happened? The remaining 30 pesos may be taken by those employees. So the next time, while you send me the amount, you don't send through this post office. Children, here see that how he believed in God. He thought that God only sent the money to him. Actually, what happened? The postmaster, he felt sympathy to this man. He thought that how ardent he is lover of God and faith, because by seeing his hope only, what happened? The postmaster decided to help. But now what happened? Lenjo thought that God had given the amount. This post office, the people from this post office has taken their money. So he told, the second letter, Lencho wrote, God, give me the remaining, the rest of the amount you should give me, but don't send through this post office. Clear? Have you understood? Hope everybody understood. And I will ask one question. Was Lencho surprised to find a letter for the money? So whatever we expected, when we get it, we will have the surprise. But here, Lencho didn't surprise. Why? Was Lencho surprised to find a letter with money? No, he didn't surprise. Why? Because he had the faith in God. He knows that God won't cheat him. So he didn't have any surprise. What made him angry? We couldn't see. Lencho became angry when the hailstone showered also. He felt sad, but he was not angry. But now, from this post office, he became angry. Why? He thought that, what happened? Instead of 100 pesos, he got only 70 pesos. So he became angry. So here, children, we can see that the farmer's ardent belief in God, his faith. So it should be a what? It should be hope. So it should be a motivation to you also. Whatever happened, you should have the faith. You should have hope. The hope only will help us to lead forward, to live forward. Otherwise, if anything happened, you don't cry from there. You don't despair from there. You should be the hope. You should have the hope. Everything will end with the good only. So here, because of the faith and hope only, Lencho can live very happily. Okay, thank you.